Hello and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to set up the Runtime Tester library in IntelliJ IDEA for Java. It's a very simple process. It won't take very long at all. First thing we have to do is navigate to the GitHub repository, the link for which is in the description. Now that we're on this website, we can see there's a README file. It's quite short and it's worth reading. It documents how to use the program. But if we're just using it as a library with somebody else writing the program for us, all we have to do is click Runtime Tester, then select the jar file for your operating system. We have Windows, Linux, and Mac versions. You just click on this, download, and then it's going to download for me to my desktop, which is perfect. Then I'm going to open my IDE, which for today is IntelliJ IDEA. That's going to take its time to open. And then I'm going to create a new project, which I'm going to be calling Runtime Library Demo. Doesn't matter what you call your project, that's up to you. Here, all I have to do to make it work is go project structure, which is Control-Alt-Shift-S, or you can go just project structure up here under File. That'll open this window. In this window, you have a libraries pane. You click on the libraries, you click the plus, Java, and then here you can just drag your library right in from desktop. So if I go to my desktop, I can grab my library, go into IntelliJ, and just move it right into here. And then it's going to load it in, press OK, OK again, and now we have the library. So if you wanted to, let's say, invoke a method from this, just test that it's working, creating the main for this is very simple. All you have to do is create a class. I'm going to call it my class, and I'm going to say at the top, import runtime tester.star, which imports all of the classes from runtime tester. And then I'm just going to say public static void main string args. And then I'm just going to say visualizer, which is the GUI of the runtime tester, dot start or launch, and then it's my class.class. You can put any .class file here. This is the .class file it will read the tests from. Any tests that you have to create that are beyond the default tests are put into that .class file. So now I'm going to run my main. And it's done. Here we can see the user interface, and well, yeah, we got all our demos and everything works. And you should be able to see any tests you add underneath here under other or in whatever categories you specify. To add your own tests, I'll be going into detail on that in future videos. But for now, just to get your tests running and to see the visualizer, to use this with pre-supplied demos, this is all you're going to need. So enjoy and good luck.